gonna head to Mike's house, try to wake the dude up. Got plenty of the people out, except for Mike. Mike's lame. Rowdy Red can't even show up for his own event. Apparently he had a surprise party, and he might have gotten freaked up. He is rowdy. Rowdier than I, young man. Jesus Christ, man. Oh, fuck, 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 fuck. Damn it, damn it, damn it, damn it, damn it. Oh, you want me to stay here? Yeah. Okay. Holy fuck. Alright. That he did.